So what do you think of the election?
Honestly, I have mixed feelings.
Really? I'm just glad it won't be business as usual in Washington from now on.
Why do you think that?
Isn't it obvious?
Not to me.
But with new people in Congress, things will change.
Of course. But there are always new people in Washington after every election. And yet others return. Always. So what kinds of changes do you think might happen?
For one thing, we can do something about spending.
Okay. Like what?
Slash the budget.
Okay. But what kinds of things are you going to cut?
The WAFs, of course.
Do you suppose everyone is going to agree on what spending actually is waste? For example, is unemployment insurance waste?
Of course it is. It just encourages people to not look for work.
Just 1 second. Unemployment rose dramatically with the economic crisis. Jobs literally disappeared. Are you saying jobs would reappear if people just looked for them?
No. But we have to cut spending somehow.
How about military spending?
We need that.
But it is a huge budget item. If we withdrew our military from abroad, not only the Middle East, but also Japan and Germany and elsewhere, we'd save billions and billions of dollars each year.
But we'd be less safe. Our country has enemies, and we have to be able to respond to them in order to protect ourselves.
You have a point. But that doesn't mean all those billions and billions are well spent.
Just as it doesn't mean there isn't fraud in unemployment insurance claims.
Exactly. We both have good points, but don't agree on specifics. In order to get anything done, we have to look at things carefully and then find something we can agree upon. That takes time, and it takes a willingness to compromise.
Compromise is just another way to sell out.
But this whole country was founded on compromise. Every single part of the Constitution is a compromise, as are nearly every law ever passed. Which doesn't mean every compromise is a good one, of course.
So what's your point?
We're in a lot of trouble. 2 wars. Record deficits. Crumbling infrastructure. The worst economic disaster in generations. Fresh ideas would be a godsend about now.
So you agree fresh faces in Washington are a good then?
Not automatically. It depends on the person, not just whether they are new or not. We do need change, but not change for the sake of change, nor old answers for new problems.
You sound like you think there is no hope. What kind of philosophy is that?
I think there's reason for hope. And reason for worry. That's why I have mixed feelings. Not all one thing or another. Messy, complex and uncertain. Like a lot of things in life.